Loved-up Katie Price and Carl Woods have been seen for the first time since she denied sending a gutter SG text to her ex about his fiancée. The on/off couple were seen reuniting as Carl picked Katie up from the Priory after she appeared in court on Wednesday. 5. Katie Price and Carl Woods walked down the street in LondonCredit, BackGrid. 5. The 43-year-old wore a tracksuit for the strollCredit, BackGrid. The pair looked deep in conversation as Carl held Katie's wrist and appeared to look at her left hand. They were dressed down in comfy clothes, with Katie donning her floral-patterned tracksuit and Louis Vuitton Territory flat Rangers worth around £1,170. It's been a difficult time for the couple, who have broken up and got back together several times over the last few months. They hit the rocks in September after Kate crashed her BMW in a drink-drive crash. After swerving jail with a 16-week suspended sentence and community service, Katie was back in trouble with the law. The 43-year-old has since been charged with breaching a restraining order after allegedly sending a vile and nasty message aimed at third husband Kieran Hayler's partner Michelle Pentecost. Katie, who was supported in court by Carl on Wednesday, was bailed to appear at Lewis Crown Court on May 25. But she was warned she is in grave danger of going to prison if convicted. The ex-glamour model was told she must not contact Michelle directly or indirectly under the bail conditions. Katie spent 12 hours in police custody after being arrested at her mucky mansion in January. She faces a maximum sentence of 5 years in prison if convicted. Katie's fiancé Carl is also set to face trial after being accused of using threatening, abusive or insulting words or behavior in a row with her. He pleaded not guilty to using threatening and abusive behavior. 5. Carl walked behind his fiancée credit, BackGrid. 5. The couple have had a rough few months credit, BackGrid. 5. Katie had been visiting the Priory credit, BackGrid. Carl proposed to Katie in April of last year, just 10 months after they started dating. It was the mum of five's 7th engagement.